Good morning, dear student. How are you all today? I hope you all will be fine at home. Myself, Aisha Tabassum, as your science teacher, welcome you all again. Today, I will teach class 7th E Science, chapter number 2, that is Fiber to Fabric, Animal Fibers. So students, before starting the class, I have a notice for you all. It is informed you that stationery shops are open. You can purchase your books and copies from the shop and complete your work on fair copy. Okay? So student, before starting the topic, I will tell you about clothes. Clothes are our basic requirement. Wearing clothes is solely the characteristic of human being. The first kind of clothing was made of big leaves and barks of the trees. Then people started using animal skin and fur of different animals to cover their body. Later, people started looking for new method of making clothes. Slowly and gradually they learned weaving and stitching. We need clothes according to the climate of the place where we live. Some people live in place where it is cold throughout the year. Some people live in place where climate changes from season to season. Thus, your clothing changes depending on where you live. So student, fibers can be obtained from both plants and animals. But in this chapter, we will study about animal fibers. Fibers that obtain from the animals are called animal fibers. Wool and silk are the fibers which are obtained from animals. Wool is obtained from the fleece of sheep, goat, yak, camel, etc. Today we will discuss about wool. Wool fiber resists creasing and crushing. It is elastic, that is uncurled when stretched but return to its original state when released. Wool is good absorbent of water. Those who wear it close to their skin and feel cooling effect of their sweat after being absorbed and evaporated off. The quality of wool varies from one breed of sheep to another. Sheep is the main animal reared for wool. Sheep is generally kept and reared in dry land with low rainfall. The quality of wool varies from one breed of sheep to another. Some common breeds of India are Bikaneri, Marwari, Lohi, etc. Fine, fluffy, light and warm wool is highly prized. Famous variety called Pashmina comes from Kashmir and nearby Himalayan areas. A special type of wool called Angora is obtained from the Angora rabbit. Each rabbit provides only a small amount of Angora, so it is very expensive and combines with other fibers. In India, sheep reared in cooler climate of sub-Himalayan regions have good quality of wool, but the sheep reared in Rajasthan have poor quality of wool. Wool is usually creamy white in color, but we may also get black, brown and grey wool from some breeds. For obtaining wool, sheep are reared and then their hair is cut and processed into wool. There are 6 steps to processing fiber into wool. First step is shearing. The fleece of the sheep is removed from its body. This process is called shearing. Scouring. The sheared skin with hair is washed in tank to remove grease, dust and dirt. This process is called scouring. Sorting. The hairy skin is sent to a factory where hair of different texture are separated. This process is called sorting. The small fluffy fibers called burr are separated from the hair and again washed and dried. Next step is the fibers are then dyed in different colors. The fibers are then straightened, combed and rolled into yarn. The longer fibers are made into wool for sweater and the shorter fiber are spun and woven into woolen cloths. So student, I hope you must have understood this topic. Now, here is homework for today. You all have to write answer of this question. So student, I repeat again. Stationery shops are open. You can purchase your books and copies from the shop and complete your work on fair copy. So with this, I end my